Hello and welcome to Accounting Web's latest product showcase. I'm Tom Herbert, editor of accountingweb.co.uk, and here with me today is Chris Morford from ClearBookks. Hi Chris.
Hi Tom.
So Chris, we've gleaned a number of questions from our Any Answers forums and some frequently asked questions about ClearBookks that we're going to put to you today. Let's get started.
Okay.
So, first question, does ClearBookks Micro work for both invoice-based and cash-based businesses?
Yeah, sure. So ClearBookks Micro has two different modes. So one for those invoice-style businesses where they need to record an invoice and then mark it as paid. And one for those businesses that operate more of a cash-based style business, like a restaurant or a retailer. So let me show you what it looks like. So ClearBookks Micro for sales invoices, it allows you to record the actual invoice record here. And we also have the opportunity to do the same for bills. So if I was just to say I got a bill from British Gas in here, I could record this as a bill for my gas bill. You'll notice how the amount excluding VAT has been automatically calculated. And I also have the opportunity to select the expense type on here so I can code it correctly. I then have the option to go into the bank, record a money out transaction, and then allocate that to that bill to mark it as paid. And save. It's as simple as that.
Fantastic, thank you Chris. So that's for invoice-based businesses, but what about cash-based businesses?
So for cash-based businesses, we strip it right back to basics. It's really simple. So let's say, for example, we had our daily takings as a shop, and I can record a transaction here of £500. I can then say that that was the 10th of October takings. And then it's as simple as that, and I've recorded that as a money in transaction.
Great, thank you very much. That all looks great, but obviously in retail, businesses sell products at different VAT rates. How does ClearBookks Micro handle that?
Sure. So when you notice I actually enter that information, you may have spotted the Explain button up here. So when I click on Explain, what I'm able to do is select the account code that's relevant and then record, say, £300 at the 20% VAT rate, and then perhaps the remaining £200 of that transaction at, say, the 5% VAT rate. And it's just simply saved like that, and that flows directly through to my accountant.
Lovely, nice and simple. We've had a lot of feedback via our Accounting Excellence Awards and Software Excellence Awards around the importance of reporting for accountants now. So what reporting is available in ClearBookks Micro versus the ClearBookks Practice Edition?
Sure. So ClearBookks Micro has lots of the functionality that you expect to see in a spreadsheet, because that's essentially what it is. So, for example, your clients could filter, they can sort, and so on. So if I was to go into the sales invoices here and just cut out the paid invoices, that'll just give me a summary of all my unpaid invoices and total it up nicely at the bottom for me. So that's what your clients can do. However, when it comes to practices, they require much more feature-rich reporting. And so from here, what we're able to do is run the things like the trial balance, for example, which if I was to drill down into this, you'll notice all of the transactions have flowed directly through from the client's micro. Equally, all of the data is automatically populating standard reports such as the profit and loss or maybe the balance sheet. And again, you can drill down and see those transactions. And best of all of these reports are fully downloadable as PDF or as a CSV file as well.
Extremely useful. Thank you, Chris. That's about all we've got time for from today. To see how accountants are using ClearBookks, visit their software reviews page. And for everything else from the world of accountancy, visit accountingweb.co.uk. Bye for now.